Okay, so to make a placement test for RAS Kids, I'm going to go to Manage Students. I'm going to click on my roster, and then I'm going to click on RAS Plus. And so here you can see the kids that have a level have already taken the placement. The kids that have not, it should say something here. You can also just select a level if you already know their level or if you want to advance them. So like Dean, I know that he might need to take it again, or he didn't, this is not his level. He can read closer to a fourth grade level. So I need to move him up, but she has not logged in to take the placement tool. So this was my A day. I've only done it with my B day. So I'm going to leave there's that placement tool. So this is where you go to do this. Right here. So it's under roster, and then you'll click RAS Plus, and then right here. When they log in, like for the kids part, under the assignments, it shows up as a circle that says student placement, but that's in the upper kids RAS, so I'm not exactly sure what it will look like in the K1 when they log in. But it's in the same area, I'm sure, wherever you assign books to them in RAS.